Greetings, adventure lovers. We're Roger and Brenda, and Ride Ohio is our passion project where we share our motorcycle experiences. Every mile on the road tells a story.
Slanted, my reflection's still there. The marquees, they all read now, appearing nowhere, appearing nowhere, now appearing.
so you can say that you shot it. I wanna know, how's it gonna go? You think you'll never be forgotten. What about me? 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 I can tell you when you skin your first knee. I can tell you when you saw your first seed. I can tell you who you thought you would be. Can you tell me anything about me?
Take a break.